Apple is apparently considering major improvements to the iPhone 15 next year, which might leave Android in the dust. The only way to know for sure whether you're going to be allowed to use your iPhone is if you're a customer of mine. This is significant because USB-C is quicker, more adaptable, and more universal than Lightning. It also means that you may utilize peripherals like external displays, keyboards, and storage devices with your iPhone, but that's not all. In terms of performance, the iPhone 15 Pro is expected to use the strong A17 Bionic CPU constructed on a 3nm technology. Cool also claims that Apple will increase the battery capacity of the iPhone 15 by 10%, which means you can expect longer battery life, faster charging, and better performance from your iPhone. If you're wondering how Apple will fit a bigger battery in the same size phone, they have a trick up their sleeve. Softboard batteries, which are smaller and more flexible than traditional batteries, seem to be the new technology that Apple will use. This will enable them to conserve space and weight within the phone while also improving heat dissipation and efficiency. Softboard batteries are already utilized in several AirPods models, but this will be the first time they are paired with an iPhone. So, what does this imply for Android? It means Apple will have a distinct edge over its competitors in terms of charging speed, battery life, and compatibility. Android phones have had USB-C for years, but they still trail behind Apple in terms of battery efficiency and performance. And although some Android phones have larger batteries than the iPhone, they also have larger displays and faster refresh rates, which use more power, so there you have it. The iPhone 15 might be the largest update yet for Apple aficionados and a nightmare for Android supporters. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.